Good Monday to you and welcome to February. We'll start out quiet today with the chance for some light snow for tomorrow, but places just off to the south and the east are looking at a potential blizzard because very strong winds as well as some snow going to be affecting those areas. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds today, an increase in the cloud cover slowly here as we head throughout the day. In fact, you can see the leading edge of that storm system is already moving into western portions of Nebraska. And the storm track itself looks like it's going to go from about Kansas City through the Quad Cities of Iowa and Illinois towards Chicago. So that typically puts the heaviest band of snow about 150 to 200 miles to the north of the track of the storm. So that means parts of central Nebraska into western and central Iowa and into the extreme southeastern portions of Minnesota could potentially see the heaviest snowfall. We're going to be on the very northern fringes of this storm system, so just a light snow is going to be a possibility here for us as we head into Tuesday. As far as Futurecast goes, you can see the bulk of the snow is going to be off and to the south and to the east of here, and we'll be watching very closely, though, the track of the storm, because any shift to the north could alter the forecast, but things are starting to come into a little bit better agreement between the forecast models. It was kind of iffy there over the weekend because there was quite a spread in the forecast solutions. High pressure does build back in, though, so any snow that does fall here for us tomorrow will be blowing around with the wind starting to pick up. And actually, there are blizzard watches and warnings off into parts of Minnesota and Iowa because of the snow and the very windy conditions will be causing difficult travel conditions. But again, we'll be in and out of the clouds here for us today, an increase in the cloud cover later this afternoon into this evening. And again, just some very light snow going to be a possibility. We're certainly going to be on the very northern edges of this storm system, but it will be windy, though, so any of that snow that does fall will be blowing around, which will reduce our visibility. But you can see off to the south and to the east, there's plenty of snow. In fact, parts of eastern Nebraska into western Iowa, 5 to 10 inches, maybe a bit more, and certainly in even the southeastern portions of Minnesota, 4 to 8 inches of snowfall a possibility. So quite a bit of snow on the way. Just a very light snow going to be falling around here. Looking at your forecast for today, a mix of sun and clouds. With high temperatures in the lower 30s, which is above average, north wind at 5 to 10. Mostly cloudy tonight, back into the teens for the overnight lows. The wind starts to pick up. And again, that chance for a little bit of light snow tomorrow. Pretty quiet here for the middle and end of part of the week with back to around 30 degrees here by the end of the week, and could see some more light snow as we head toward next Sunday.